Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We, the VSIT students, this is Jherick, Wilmar, Jherick, Kian, and yours truly. So, what we are going to do is to download Windows Server 2012 R2 install. Configure and setting up the downloaded Windows Server 2012 R2 in VirtualBox. Configuring Windows Server 2012 R2 in VirtualBox as a web server.
Hello everyone. First step is to download the Windows Server 2012 R2. So first, let's search Windows TechNet Evaluation Center. Click the Microsoft Evaluation Center. Click the Windows Server. Choose Windows Server 2022. And then click the Server 2012 R2. Click the download the ISO. Fill out this register form. Enter your first name, last name, email. This is for school purposes, so we don't have any company name, so let's just put NA here. Select your region, your country. Let's just put 2 until 4 here. NA, the phone country code, and then enter your phone number. And then let's just click this privacy statements here, and then click download now. I've already downloaded this, and let's click this 64-bit edition. I already downloaded the ISO of the Windows Server, so we don't need to download it again. This is the file of what I've already downloaded.
Hello, I am Wilmar, and I'm going to install the Windows Server 12 in our virtual box. So the first step is to open our virtual box. So once we open our virtual box, so you need to click New. And here you can put any name you want, but in my case, I'll just input Windows Server. Then click Next. Then I'm going to adjust the base memory to 3 GB or 3000 MB. So click Next. Then click Next again. And this is the summary. So click Finish. So here we need to configure it, so we need to go to Settings. So we need to go to System. We need to enable hardware, clock in UTC time, and enable EFBI. So go to Storage and click Empty. We need to select the Windows Server 12 that we downloaded. So here, okay. Then click OK. So now we need to click Start. Press any key. So here we need to set it up. Here language to install English, time and currency. Let's choose Philippines, and then the keyboard or input method US next. And here we're now going to install. So click Install now. So here we have types of operating system that we can install. So we need to select the Windows Server 2012 standard evaluation with GUI. So click Next. So we need just to accept the license terms. Next. And which type of installation do you want? We need to select this custom install Windows only. And here we have now the drive 0, which is a total size of 50 GB. So click New and Apply. Click OK. So here we need to choose the drive with the type of primary. So here, then click Next.
Okay, you can input a new password, capital letter, small letter, and number. And then you can re-enter your password and then click finish. While finalizing your screen, you can press Ctrl Alt Delete, or you can use on screen keyboard. Then you can enter your new password here. And then we're here. Click yes. So hello, I am Mark Janli and I am going to install and configure a web server in a Windows Server 2012 R2. So to begin that, go to your server manager. Then here I have already setting up some configuration in the local server. So let's proceed in installing a web server. So click manage, then add roles and features. So here just click next, and a role based or feature based installation, just click next. And here just click next, and here select DNS and a web server IIS. Let's check it, and let's add features. So here just click next, and the default configuration is good, so just click next, next, just click next, and here just click install. So here we are installing. So here installation succeeded. So you just close it. Then let's configure it. And so to configure that, let's go to tools. Then select Internet Information Service IIS Manager. Click this. Just close it, and you can see the site here. So just right click and add website. So let's put a name of our website. Let's say World of IT. Then the physical path. Select a physical path. Go to local disk, then site, then click OK. So next, let's go to binding. So the IP address, to set that, let's go to an Open Network and Sharing Center. Change adapter setting. Right click, Internet, and then Properties. Then click Internet Protocol version 4. Then Properties. Then click Advanced. Then click Add. So here, let's put an IP address 192.168.0.20, and it's a subnet mask. So let's add, then click OK. Then let's close it. Close, close, close. So here, let's input our IP address 192.168.0.20, then the port 80. Then here, let's put a host name on www.worldofit.com. So let's uncheck the start website immediately, then click OK. So let's right click on World of IT, to manage website. Go to manage website, click start. So we already start our website. So let's close it and go to IIS, then right click and go to Internet Information Services and expand and close it. Then here click the directory browsing, and we need to enable it for us to visit our website. So you can go to your Internet Explorer and type the IP address 192.168.0.20, or you can simply open it here, click it, then here. So we are done installing and configuring a web server in Windows Server 2012 R2.
Thank you for watching the video, and that is how to download and install a Windows Server 2012 using a VirtualBox.